Hello everyone, I am Suchita Moril. Welcome you all in the video lecture on the topic mean value, mean square value and root mean square value. We apply here concept of integration. Here we consider y equal to f of x in xy plane and we divide these values, that means area x not equal to a to xn equal to b. Therefore for this value here x1 this is the value of y1, x2 this is the value of y2 up to xn value, xn and yn. Now this value is delta of x1 then delta of x2 in this way. Now mean value of y means we know that average of this, that means addition of all the terms divided by number. Therefore y1 to yn divided by n, this value is y into multiply and divide by delta of x, then we get this summation y delta x upon this n delta x, that means from a to b, therefore b minus of a term, and we write down this in the form of integration a to b by dx. This is gives the area from a to b. And here 1 upon b minus a we taking outside as a constant term, and this is the formula for mean value. Therefore, this is mean value formula. Then mean square value, that means instead of y we is taking square terms, and then root mean square value means under root of this second mean square value. We apply this formula for finding these three values and solve the examples on this. Now, here important rule is when this range is not given, that means upper limit and lower limit is not given. In that case, we consider the period of that function. That means period of sin t, we know that its value 2 pi. Therefore, for complete period, we consider limits of integration from 0 to 2 pi. Similarly, for cos and tan, here for tan, here we consider pi. Period is fine. Now suppose instead of sine term here, sine pt term, in that case we consider for half period pi by p, for full period complete period 2 pi by p. In this way we will consider the values. Now find the mean value of the ordinates of y square equal to 4x. This is the parabola from 0, 0 to 4, 4 uniformly along the x-axis. Now here we have to find out mean value. Therefore we write down the formula for mean value. Now here we decide the value of x. Because we differentiate, integrate with respect to x, therefore limits of x from 0 to 4. We write down here values, integrate the terms, substitute upper limit and lower limit, and find out the required result. Here we have to find out these limits for 0 to 4, therefore we write down this. Now show that the mean value of kx into L minus x between this x equal to 0 to x equal to L is 2 by 3 of its maximum value. Now here we have to find out mean value by using the formula. Now this y is given and x equal to 0 to x equal to L, that means these are the limits of integration. We substitute all these values, integrate the terms, gives equation number 1. Now find out the maximum value of this. Therefore, for maximum value, we differentiate the term, substitute this value equal to 0, and for this value, we find out y double dash and its value is negative, then function is maximum. And for this maximum value, we substitute y at y x equal to L by 2, that means this value. We get this equation number 2 value, that means k L square by 4. Then from equation 1 and 2, we easily write down the required result. This is the required result. Now a rod of length A is divided into two parts at a random. Then prove that the mean value of the sum of the squares of these two segments is 2 by 3 a square. Now we consider the AB. This is the length of the rod, which is A. Now we divide this rod in two parts at C. That means first part AC is we consider as X, remaining part CB is considered as A minus X. Therefore, here Y equal to sum of the squares of this length, that means two segments, that means X square plus A minus X whole square. Now we substitute these values in the formula of mean value, integrals and limits of these from 0 to A, and simplify the terms, integrate the terms, we get the required result. Now show that the RMS value of the function is sin A sin pt over the half period. Now here half period is given, exceed its mean value over the same half period nearly 11%. For this, first we have to find out the range for sin t. Sin t is 0 to 2 pi, half range 0 to pi, but here sin pt term, therefore 0 to pi by p. Now for this we have to find out RMS value first, then mean value, then difference between RMS and mean value, and percentage difference by using the formula. Therefore, for RMS value, apply the formula. Here, y square term, y square means sin square pt term. Therefore, substitute the value of sin square pt is 1 minus cos 2 pt by 2. Integrate the values, substitute the limit, we get the value a by root 2. Then find out mean value. This is the second step. Integrate the terms, substitute upper and lower limit, we get the value 2a by pi. Then difference between these RMS and mean value, then percentage difference. Therefore, apply this formula, substitute the values, simplify the terms. Its value is near 11.07, which is approximately 11%. Now find RMS value of f of x over the range is. Now and substitute the value of e square and e to the power 4 in the result and evaluate it. RMS value, therefore we apply this formula, and then for this we simplify the numerator term separately. Here apply the a plus b whole square formula, integrate the term, substitute limits, and then we get this value in terms of e, and here substitute e square and e to the power 4 terms and find out under root of this value is 4.55, which is the required result. In this way, we solve the problems of mean value, mean square value, and RMS. These are the practice problems. Thank you for watching this video.